Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the 2026 Volvo XC60, a mid-size luxury SUV that blends Scandinavian design with intelligent technology and eco-conscious performance. Whether you're drawn to its clean styling, safety-first approach, or electrified powertrain, the XC60 continues to raise the bar in its segment. Let's break it all down and take a closer look. Body panels. The 2026 XC60 wears its Nordic roots with pride. Smooth, minimalist lines flow from the front fascia to the rear, emphasizing understated elegance over aggressive flash. Volvo has subtly redesigned the body panels this year for enhanced aerodynamics, contributing to quieter cabin acoustics and better fuel efficiency. The aluminum-rich construction improves rigidity while keeping the vehicle lightweight. Subtle sculpting along the lower doors and a high shoulder line give it a grounded, confident look without trying too hard. Headlights. Volvo's iconic Thor's Hammer LED headlights return in the 2026 XC60, now updated with Pixel LED technology. These lights are more than a design element, they feature adaptive functionality that automatically adjusts the beam based on traffic, road curvature, and weather conditions. Whether you're cruising through dark country roads or foggy mornings, these headlights provide superior visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Taillights. In the rear, the XC60 showcases signature vertical LED taillights that frame the tailgate with a distinctive Scandinavian glow. The lights now feature animation for turn signals and braking, improving both visibility and aesthetics. Positioned high for better visibility, they contribute to the XC60's modern, upright stance and emphasize the SUV's attention to design detail and function. Grille. Up front, the frameless grille sports a cleaner, more futuristic design. The concave mesh pattern has been redesigned to incorporate active shutters, which open or close based on cooling requirements and improve airflow when driving at higher speeds. The Volvo Iron Mark logo remains front and center, housing sensors for the driver assistance systems and radar tech behind its badge. Seats. Step inside, and you're welcomed by the hallmark of Swedish comfort, ergonomically designed seats made with sustainable materials. In the 2026 model, Volvo offers options like wool blend upholstery, Nappa leather, or a new plant-based material for the eco-conscious. Front seats are power-adjustable with memory, heating, ventilation, and optional massage functions. Rear seats are also generously cushioned and feature optional heating and reclining, ensuring long trip comfort for every passenger. Dashboard. The XC60's dashboard design is minimal, intuitive, and elegant. A floating central display blends seamlessly into a clean dash finished with wood, metal, or textile inlays depending on trim. Soft ambient lighting highlights the architectural layout, while the dashboard slightly curves toward the driver, reinforcing Volvo's driver-centric design. Integrated storage compartments and smart air vents make the interior feel functional and clutter-free. Infotainment system. At the heart of the center console is a new 14.5-inch portrait-style touchscreen running on Google built-in software. This system offers native Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store, with real-time traffic updates, voice commands, and app downloads. The interface is intuitive, responsive, and updates over the air for future enhancements. A 15-speaker Bowers Wilkins premium sound system is available, transforming the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a dedicated 5G connection come standard. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is simple yet sophisticated. Touch-sensitive controls allow you to navigate media, driver assistance systems, and the digital instrument cluster. It's also heated, with a flat bottom option available on higher trims. Paddle shifters are included in the plug-in hybrid variants, offering more dynamic control when desired. Subtle chrome accents and a small Volvo logo complete the refined look. Engine. The 2026 XC60 offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in its base configuration, delivering around 250 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. Engine refinement has been improved for smoother acceleration and better fuel economy, making it a capable choice for both urban and highway driving. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes around 6.5 seconds, delivering a confident and smooth experience. Hybrid option. For those looking for greener performance, the XC60 Recharge plug-in hybrid is where Volvo truly shines. It pairs the same 2.0-liter engine with a powerful electric motor and a larger battery pack, and now providing up to 50 miles of all-electric range. This PHEV model produces a combined 455 horsepower, making it the most powerful XC60 ever. It supports level 2 AC charging and can fully charge in about 5 hours. Regenerative braking helps recapture energy while improving efficiency during city driving. It's the perfect blend of performance, flexibility, and eco-consciousness. Airbags. Volvo's reputation for safety continues with multiple advanced airbag systems, including dual-stage front airbags, side impact protection, curtain airbags for both rows, and even a front passenger knee airbag. The 2026 model adds an updated center airbag system, which deploys between front seats during side collisions to reduce occupant contact. Combined with Volvo's reinforced safety cage, it ensures best-in-class crash protection. Parking assist. The XC60 includes a suite of driver assistance features, including Park Assist Pilot, which can automatically steer the vehicle into both parallel and perpendicular parking spots. A 360-degree surround view camera and rear cross-traffic alerts make tight maneuvers in urban areas effortless. The system also alerts the driver of moving objects or pedestrians nearby, enhancing situational awareness and safety in every parking situation. Price. So, what does all this Scandinavian sophistication cost? The 2026 Volvo XC60 starts at approximately $48,000 for the base core trim. The Plus trim rises to around $53,000, while the Ultimate trim with all the luxury and tech pushes toward $60,000. The XC60 Recharge plug-in hybrid starts at $59,500, with a fully loaded version coming in near $69,000. Given the features, performance, and sustainability, it's an investment in smart luxury that goes beyond just getting from point A to point B. And that wraps up our full breakdown of the 2026 Volvo XC60, a luxury SUV that delivers on design, comfort, and conscience. It's the ideal choice for those who want safety, tech, and elegance in one beautifully engineered package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed car reviews. Have questions or want to compare the XC60 with another SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments, so we love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next